Thank you so much for taking time out this weekend, and joining us today. Today is our first session from the Sharing is Caring group. And this is the beginning of a wonderful journey where we aim to have all of us become, perfect masters in, the education that ma'am has given us. So we would start with the level 1 revision today that is going to be conducted by Varsha ji. And she would take us through very important points on how we are going to be our first interaction with our patients. The patient could be your friend, your family, it could also be you. So whatever we learn in class, the theory part, but when it comes to practically applying it on hand, how do we look at utilizing the skill is what Varsha ji is going to talk to us about. Okay, and to begin with, Bhupinder ma'am is going to give us a small capsule of a very special session today. And after that wonderful beginning, we will move forward to Varsha ji and team to take the session today. And in case you all have any questions pertaining to your level 1 syllabus, please make a note of it. And towards the end of the session, we will give you 10 to 15 minutes to ask your questions. In case we do run out of time, we aim to close the session by 6:30. In case we do run out of time, not to worry at all. Please do post your questions online on the level 1 groups. Commander Pawar and his team are collating all the questions and they will ensure that every question is answered. All right. So what we would like all of you to do is just sit back, take out your pen and your paper, listen to the session. Hope you all have your probes with you, because today we're going to learn how to practically use all what ma'am has taught us in level 1. All right. So over to you, ma'am, for your special session, and then we'll have Varsha taking over from ma'am.
Thank you so much, Suman. Thank you so much to Caring and Sharing team. And because of you all, we are here together and we will continue our journey until you all become perfect. So because when I talk about 6 key or Triorigin, your level 1 should be very strong, very, very strong. That is why we are aiming first that we make you perfect in this level 1. And then we go to level 2, because now we all are knowledgeable, you know everything, but we have to clear all fundamentals. We need to touch grand perfection of level 1, level 2, 6 key 1, 62 constitutions, and then Triorigins. Yes. So now what happened? I never had planned to deliver a lecture today, but today morning I had a webinar with Indonesia, and after watching videos, some participants wrote to me on my private message box that, ma'am, why you didn't teach this to us? And this seed therapy, some new things. So I received, but I never think that I should not teach this thing to you or to abroad. For me, all are same. But sometimes naturally when you are teaching, something is coming out. I don't know, this is just a flow. So whatever I have given, small new tips, I will give you quickly. And this is small sessions. I will discuss about seed therapy, and this because in your academic session I did not touch in detail. So let us have this session and I will share my presentation now, because now when I talk about seed therapy, we are using seeds. Seeds are our main treatment tool in our healing system. You know, the beauty of seeds, this seed is not simple that finding painful point and fixing seed on that point. Yes, initially, yes, we are doing like this. But when you grow, when your 6 key energy or 6 key consciousness grow, you can use these seeds with 6 key consciousness. You can use these seeds with Triorigin consciousness. Yes, but then I want to give you some base of seed therapy, because whatever treatment you will discuss now and you will do revision now, finally you are using seeds. Of course, yes, magnets also, colors also, but seed we cannot ignore. So now I am sharing with you all and sharing my presentation. Okay, just a moment. I hope everyone can see. Can you see presentation?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I can see the slide with seed therapy
Okay.
on it. Yeah.
Do you know that seed has soul, mind, body, and life? Yes. So we should not underestimate the power of seed. When we talk about plant world, yes, this plant world is giving oxygen to us, and we are throwing carbon dioxide, and in turn plant world is giving us oxygen, and they take our carbon dioxide. So they have spirit of giving. They are always giving. They are always giving to us. So this giving spirit, this love spirit, this smile spirit, this is received by existence, or you can see directly creator has given this giving spirit to this plant world. So that is why we are using these seeds. We are fixing seeds on our disease point. Now, you know, seed, when I say seed has soul, these seeds also catches your intention. That is why when you are doing treatment, don't just be technical. We always, when we were, you know, practicing in our clinic, we always used to say that, yes, before starting, just do little smile meditation, gratitude, thank you. Your seeds, your plants are speaking to you, seeds are speaking to you. But when you're open to it, they are sharing. Yes. So latent energy is there. When your soul is connected, when your soul makes connection with the soul of seed, plant, energy flows very beautifully and smoothly. So when we breathe in what the trees breathe out, and they breathe in what we breathe out, forever overwhelmed by the beauty of God's design. Thank you so much. This is love. We are very grateful to this tool seed we are using in our treatment, and thousands of patients are healed just with the help of seed therapy. So in Professor books, this is mentioned very beautiful, you know, this soul touching words. Every tree, every bush, and every herb, all the mosses agreed to treat man. Plant says, I shall come to the aid of man when he will call me, said each of them. And this is how appeared medicine world. And if it happens that the doctor does not know what medicine to prescribe to the patient, then when you are connected with this plant soul world, the spirit of plant will whisper it softly, softly in doctor's ear. This is the beauty of plant world. One seed can create many lives. And because soul, seed has soul, mind, body, life, there is life energy flowing in this seed. Soul can interact with the soul of the diseased point. This seed can give its strong, powerful energy to the diseased point. This seed has soul. This seed can create many trees, many plants, multiple fruits, and then it continues, chain continues. We sometimes ignore the power of small seed, green lentil or kidney beans or some seed. This seed has great power. That is why I want to tell you today that when you are using this seed therapy, don't take it just general. Yes? So with gratitude and smile, we are using the seed therapy. biggest wonders, miracles you will observe in your treatment if you feel connection. Soul of seed is directly connected to him. Also, we are connected to him, but because of our limited mind, limited consciousness, our mind cannot make a connection directly with him. But soul is directly connected. That is why sometimes when you have any problem in physical body or some mental stress, just go out in nature, bare feet, walk on the grass, talk to the plants, stay in nature. Most of your negative energy, all carbon dioxide, plant world will suck and in turn will give you all positive smile energy and wonderful oxygen. Okay, so now what is the rule? Now this rule, you are very well expert, Sujok, mini system, insect system, main system. So you are finding painful point with the help of probe, toothpick, matchstick. Yes, and then after finding painful point, you have to fix seed with the plaster. And then you have to press seed from time to time. Now this seed can stay for 6 hours, 12 hours. Also it can stay for 24 hours. For seeds, we have no rules actually. For colors, for bar magnet, for needles, we have rules. But seed without any directional, flow, all these simple seed you can use. Only thing is you have to pay attention to patient's skin. Yes, patient's skin, how the skin is responding. Sometimes patient's skin is, a bit very sensitive. After fixing seed, after few minutes, he can feel irritation. So that thing you have to keep in mind, and then you can tell your patient, you keep these seeds for 2 hours or 6 hours, but when you feel irritation, you can just immediately remove. Okay, so now because as a beginner, but I will not say that you are a beginner, now you all are mature, but sometimes when you are sharing with your friends, then they are not Sujok people, they don't know Sujok, and you can just simply tell the area, for example, headache, neck problem, you can just tell that if painful point is not found, you can tell that cover that corresponding area to the disease with the seeds. You can see the strip, you can cover that. You can tell your patient to cover that area. But for therapist, it is very, very important to find painful point. One small correct point can treat the most difficult disease. But we don't pay attention. We have so many insect system, finger system. Yes, always we are busy finding painful point. If we are not getting results, then we should think, what I have missed? What? In foot, we have toes. Yes, I didn't touch the toes. Let us find the point in the toes. Yes, we have partial system, we have toes, we have mini system. Our foot also has mini system. Yes, so we should focus painful point, and this is your biggest research. If you don't succeed in finding painful point, then result will also come late. And sometimes when we say that, oh, I did this treatment but I didn't get result, then it means that we have missed the correct point. You can draw many drawings, you can write beautiful notes, you can do wonders in your studies, notebook, colorful pictures, but when you hold probe, you miss the correct point, and then all your theories go waste. Innocent person without any knowledge, if he just practice finding painful point with his this kind of simple innocent knowledge, he can do wonders in treatment. That is why sometimes it is very good to take treatment from innocent person rather than intellectual person, because intellectual persons thinking many things. As a result, he may miss the most important point. So as you know that these seeds have great life force, soul, mind, body, life together. This is creating great life force. So this life force, when this life force energy is interacting with the disease point, then this life force, powerful energy can restore the energy, recover the energy of this diseased area. So now you have to first find the correct point, and that is why I suggest you, instead of drawing on paper, instead of drawing in notebooks, draw on hand. Draw face on each finger. Draw face on thumb. Till that time, just keep drawing until you see real face on the thumb. If without one day, without drawing, if you can see face, if you can see full body mini system, it means your correspondence system consciousness has become very mature, very, very mature. Yes, so don't be very technical. Don't be. Instead of writing so many things, I will motivate you to draw intestine on your hand, draw small intestine on your hand, in main system, in finger system. Yes, so that you, when patient shows hand, you just see body. You just see body. Don't start treatment until you see the body on particular system. And as you know, we have different seeds. So when we are using seeds, we have to pay attention to the shape and to the properties of plants or seed. As you know, shape criteria. Yes, in nature, this is beautiful nature. Thanks to nature, whatever, actually we are part of nature. Nature is inside us. As I told you, we are taking oxygen from plant world. Plant is inside us. Plant energy is naturally flowing inside us. So if it is really blessing if near your house you have plants, you have trees. This is great blessing for us. So now in nature, you will find some seeds which are exactly similar to our body organs. Yes, so because you know, Sujok is all story of similarity. Hand is similar to human body. So this similarity force is homoforce. You remember last time we spoke about Triorigin, and slowly we will add many tips. So heteroforce, homoforce. Heteroforce like change and homoforce like same, similarity. So homoforce doesn't like change, like this. Yes, so because why this seed is kidney bean is similar to kidney, our kidney organ. You will see walnut seed is similar to our brain. So this is very strong similarity, and this similarity is not happened by chance. Because of this similarity, there is very good energy exchange, excellent energy exchange. So if you use the exact shape, exact size or shape, main thing is shape, then this seed will talk to the organ very smoothly without interruption. Okay, so one is shape criteria. Second is character, properties of plant or seed. Some seeds are warm character, some seeds are cool in character. So when there are hetero symptoms, when there is inflammation, when there is some hyperactivity like hyperthyroid or hyper symptoms, then you are using cool character seeds. Okay, but when there is stagnation, varicose veins, some cancers, and some kind of homo type of disease, then you can use good warm character, warm properties seeds like red chili seed, black pepper has this kind of hetero quality, garlic has hetero quality. So we will not only fix to 2-3 seeds. Further, after understanding this, after having this information, you can do more researches. And these are neutro seeds. Colors, when you see yellow color and green lentil. In 6 key, wind and humidity comes under neutral group. Wind is initial step in hetero group and humidity is initial step in homo group. That is why they have neutral qualities. So if you don't get any in emergency, sometimes your seed box is not with you. So these two kind of seeds you can always keep in your purse and you can use any time, any moment, in any kind of seeds with smile. Also in nature, not only seed, now we will focus in nature. We have also plants of similar properties. For example, the stalks of bamboo, yes, cereals and some other plants which resembles the joint. Now when you see this picture, you see this plant or this bamboo plant, you can pick up small soft stalk of bamboo and you focus this plant. This is similar to joints. Yes, junctions are here. You can see like joints, same. So we have to pick up this beauty from the nature. Wow, this looks like joints. And then when you put this on joint, if joint disease, if you put this, if there is any pain, because this has similarity in this plant, this similarity will help this joint to recover fastly. Yes. And then secondly, also you can see now your when you focus your thoracic level, it has ribs, and also it has vertebrae. So you see this plant, now you have to observe in nature. This kind of twigs or ferns you can see resembles the thoracic spine with ribs. So stalk, leaves and seeds of such plants can be used for improving the affected spine, ribs, chest ribs, like this. So though it is not giving any acupressure, it is not giving any pressure, but energy of this will give energy. When you fix it on this area, correspondence area, this energy will go inside the targeted organ. And if a plant which secretes white milk, its seeds can be applied to increase the quantity of milk in nursing mothers. So breast point, it is in the chest area, very well So this seed has quality to produce milk. After doing clockwise massage on the breast point, you can fix these seeds and you will see result. This looks very simple, but many therapists have already experienced this kind of result. And then any kind of round seed, you see your head is round, your organs, your head, your eyes, ovaries, all these are mammary glands. These are round organs. So you can pick up round seeds from your kitchen for treating a round shaped organ. Yes. And then rice is very good for bronchitis and bronchial asthma. You can apply this you can fix it on the insect system, finger system, lung area, or in the main system. But this is always very good to fix it on finger system if person has bronchial asthma. And this walnut is very good for brain, but generally we are not using. Now I will recommend, please, this in your treatment kit, seed box, you should always keep this walnut also. So yes, because thumb is small and this is big, you can cut small piece. Even if you cut, the energy flowing inside walnut will talk to the brain energy. Yes, so we need small piece, we can fix it. Memory problem, some brain related disease, only focus. Sometimes, please understand, sometimes you are fixing seed for acupressure because you want to give pressure and you need good solid seed. Yes, but sometimes you have to focus to take energy of that seed. Okay, this walnut is very soft. It will not give acupressure, but it will give its energy, because energy is flowing, beautiful energy is flowing in this, and brain has loops and walnut also has loops. So all this energy, it will transfer to brain. Flax seeds are very good in chronic bronchitis. Some seeds, these seeds have lots of juice, and if this seed has juice like flax seeds, can help in decreasing inflammation. So now you should keep all these seeds in your treatment box. And then seeds, berry seeds. So these seeds can be used if coagulation, some stagnation, thrombosis. So if you see this kind of disease, then you can use these seeds on the correspondent point. And Gueldal rose seed is very good for heart, and you will see such a beautiful heart shape it has, and you can put this seed on the heart. And I noticed that many people, they don't use this, thinking this is not giving pressure. Please remove this idea from your mind. Some seed, as I told you, will not give pressure, but it will transfer its energy. This heart shape of seed is not by chance. We are part of universe. We are one with the universe, and we are communicating with the universe. So this kind of understanding you have to keep in your mind, and then you can use. Sometimes from pressure point of view, you are using seeds. Sometimes from color point of view, you are using seed. Sometimes you are using shape criteria, and sometimes you are using just with the mission to transfer energy of seed towards the diseased organ. So oblong seeds, these long seeds you can use for upper and lower limbs. You see, because arms and legs are long, try to find in nature, intestine, your lips like this oblong, nose is oblong. So if you can find these seeds, very good to use in these areas. Spherical seeds, as I already told you, eyes, head, breast, you will use round seed. Bean shaped seed, kidney beans, you can use for kidney organ and stomach organ. And shape of peach, this you can use for bladder and gallbladder. For pancreas, you can use grape seed, or you can use very good corn seed, because if you see corn, it is exactly matching with your pancreas organ. And then this seed, this is Chinese lemon seed. After massaging the point of medulla, you can fix this seed. This is very good seed, and this seed can increase working capacity, and also it will help if you feel that there is decrease in mental capacity and physical, if you are experiencing fatigue. So this will help in that condition. So you can fix this seed. So that is why you have to keep this seed also in your treatment kit. Seeds of blueberries have astringent properties. So you can use these seeds in diarrhea. So you can, it is not necessary to put. Sometimes, as I told you, sometimes you are just giving energy to that area, okay? And sometimes you are finding painful point and then fixing seeds. Now you are very clear. So this seed of blueberry, you can just fix all bunch on the intestine area, okay? And cumin seed also will not give acupressure, but the energy of this cumin seed will help in gas problem. So in all insect system, lower phalange, you can fix this. You can see in this slide, you can first do general massage, of course, yes, if not very hard massage, but at least you should do some massage, warm up that area, because after doing warming up, there is good blood circulation, and when these seeds are interacting with warm area of your skin with activated blood circulation, so seeds energy quickly transferred. As you see, when you do sprouting, it needs warm place. That is why if you fix seed on the cold skin, this is not germinating. Energy is not opening. That is why warming up is very, very important. Only in bleeding, acute inflammation, in that condition, you can do just gentle massage. Don't do strong warming up. And then wild rose seed is called as bile expelling agent. It can be used for hepatitis, liver, oat seeds on gallbladder point for bile congestion. So you can use this in main system and in sex system. Pancreas, as I told you, corns are very similar to pancreas. You can use in main system, in sex system. In insect system, even if you use 1 or 2 seed is good enough because small area. But in main system, you need this. And then this area, pomegranate seed. Pomegranate seeds are very good in hearing and vision disorders. So when you are eating pomegranate, you can also store these seeds. And now, last, just a few minutes. Lastly, I want to tell, and maybe I will discuss this topic because this is level 1 class. I cannot go very deep. So I will discuss in 6 key about this. So when we say we are wind, heat, hotness, humidity, dryness, coldness, and also with 6 energies, we also know that there is brightness and darkness. So everything in this universe is under the umbrella of 6 energies. So everything belongs to some or the other energy. And so seed world also belongs to energy world. Some seed is wind energy, some seed is heat energy, some seed is hotness energy, like this. So if you understand the energy of seed, you can also use on 6 key points. And also you can use on correspondence system. Yes. Now, how to recognize the seed of wind energy? Wind energy, of course, you know, this is green color, long in shape, sour in taste, because this is the taste of wind energy. So if any wind problem, muscle problem, or gallbladder problem, liver problem, bowel movement problem, deficiency of wind, constipation, and if there is edema, swelling, yes, and lots of fluid discharge. So in this case, we need wind energy, and then you can use wind seed on the correspondent point. Level 1 students will use on the correspondent point. If you want to energize liver, you know where is liver point. If there is swelling in the ankle, then you can use these kinds of seeds on the correspondent of ankle joint, or wherever you see swelling or pus or any wind related diseases, you can use these seeds. So we have 6 key seeds also. Oval red spicy seeds. Oval and red spicy has a heat character. Yes. And round and fresh, round shining seeds, because you will see many seeds in the nature. Some seeds are round but not very shining, it is stale, dull. So hotness seed is always round, shining and bright, good color. So immediately you can say wow. So this seed has good hotness energy. So if you want to tonify hotness, and if you want to give expansion to any organ or any point, you can fix this seed. So now from this moment, you have to do, some people in this group are very good. They are, their hobby is plant world. They love to maintain gardens. They like flowers. They like gardens. They have lots of herbal knowledge. So many people in this group will come up with very good ideas. Try to find out these seeds, and we can share next time in our revision sessions. Seeds of humidity are also little long shape, but it is wrinkled. It has wrinkle. Wind seed is also long, but it doesn't have. This is again shining and good quality, but this humidity seed will have wrinkle. And dryness seed is like this kind, it is shape is like heat, but it has dull color, stale color, brown color, like this. So this dryness energy we can use on inflammation point, when if person has some inflammation, and these seeds you can fix on the points of inflammation. Seed of coldness, we have coldness seed. Yes, this seed we can use for bone diseases, because for bones we need good coldness energy, for bladder problem, for kidney problems also. In sometimes we can use this seed. And if it is required, if coldness energy, this you will understand actually in 6K. So we can discuss in detail about these seeds, but I just want to give you general glimpse. And also we have seeds of brightness. So you see, when in some flowers you will see multiple seeds in one flower. Then this seed has very beautiful brightness energy, like coma patient, you see, or numbness or paralysis, when there is darkness disease. Then on the correspondent point, when you know this story, we need brightness, then you can pick up these seeds in a bunch, massage the brain points and the selected area, you can put on this. You can also put these seeds on CV and GV meridian. Also you can put on the brain point when there is, you know, some loss of consciousness. This is the darkness, coma, paralysis, like this. Yes, if organ is going, when doctor says that this is the last stage of organ is going towards the darkness, so we need support of wind, heat, hotness, and also we need brightness energy. And seed of darkness, if you see one single seed in flower, then this seed is darkness energy. Sometimes we need this also sometimes. So one small spherical seed, and if you find this seed in one flower, this is darkness seed. And here you can see, this is atonic constipation. This you can paste in, you can fix it on main system, or you can fix it on finger system. Many times I have advised to people, if they don't know Sujok, take insect system, massage the lower part. I simply tell, in this corona environment now, people, we are talking more on WhatsApp, we are advising patient more on, you know, Zoom. So very simple. Finger system, top floor, middle floor, lower floor. Top floor is face, chest is middle, and abdomen is lower floor. If any problem in abdomen region, gas, distended abdomen, and then you massage this and pick up this few cumin seeds, and you can fix it here in this insect system lower part. And then, as I told you, round shining seeds, perfect round seeds. These seeds you can use in general weakness, because these seeds have very good energy, hotness energy for fatigues, and for fatigues you can use these seeds because it will tonify hotness energy. And if there is you know, some stagnation, then you can use yellow color seeds to, you know, to improve lymph flow. And after doing good massage, if you see any stagnation, after doing good massage, you can fix yellow seed, because yellow seeds is connected to humidity energy, your lymphatic system. Sometimes we need to tonify lymphatic system. This you will understand in 6K. And all brown color diseases, all brown color seeds you can use for inflammation. If person has inflammation, then brown, because axis law, heat and dryness, you know, so you can use these brown color seeds in inflammatory diseases. And for coldness, last, this is black colored seeds, buckwheat seed with black shell, has coldness energy. So in cystitis, inflammation, we need coldness, so we can fix this seed. So if whenever you see you need coldness energy, you can read this slide. So for this case, you can use coldness related disease. And lastly, you can see this is energy flow. This you have done already. I told you in your academic class also. Now this is revision. You know this. Energy flows from north to south, and in apple seed, narrow is north and broad is south. South like this. So energy flow. This is tonification, and for diarrhea you can do opposite. And then, if your appetite is very high. So how to reduce your appetite? This try. Some people, they want to do dieting, but they couldn't do. Yes, because appetite, they always want to eat. So you see this twig, see the energy flow. This is the energy flow down to up. It means if you want to decrease your appetite, then energy should go down to up. It means nothing should come inside. Okay. If you put number 1, this is number 1 pattern, then energy is coming from top to down. It means this is like tonification. Your appetite will increase. So people, if they lose their appetite, then number 1 is correct. And if you want to reduce appetite, then number 2 application is correct. And prolapse of uterus, and also uterine bleeding, where you need to push energy from down to up. Here you can use this kind of seed, from down to up like this, because you are using direction. You are taking help from the seed and you are pushing the energy down to up, so that uterus goes up and occupies correct position, and bleeding should not come out like this. So now finally, if you know this, and we in coming time we will discuss more when we are studying 6 key and other things. And I think for today I have taken a lot of time, and now I will hand over. Where is Varsha? I will hand over to Suman. Varsha, now you can take over. Thank you so much for your attention, and I hope you will use this knowledge in your treatment.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Very informative, very useful, and I'm sure all of us will start using them from today itself.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Varsha ji, over to
Smile.